Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 41. Of scholars, Brahmanas, of leaders, Kshatriyas, and of traders, Vaishyas, as also of workers, Shudras, or O Pranatapa. The duties are distributed according to the qualities born of their own nature.
Chapter 18, Shloka 41. Brahmana Kshatriya Visham Shudranam cha parantapa Karmani pravibhaktani Swabhava prabhavair gunehi.
Chapter 18, Shloka 41. In the following shlokas, the duties ordained by one's nature, Swabhava, and one's station in life, Swadharma, are described. In the previous shlokas, various gunas were described. On the basis of the gunas, the entire mankind is classified under four distinct heads: the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. Different types of duties are assigned to each of these classes of individuals depending on their swabhava, which is ordered by the proportion of the gunas in the makeup of each type of inner equipment. It is not on the basis of the physical characteristics but reflect one's inner personality, the quality and texture of the contents of one's mind and intellect. After determining the quality of the inner personality, the individuals are classified and different duties are prescribed for the Brahmana, the Kshatriya, the Vaishya, and the Shudra. The Shastra divides duties by performing which the tamas can be evolved to rajas, which in turn can grow to become sattva. Finally, when the sattva sublimates, the final experience of infinite is gained. No one is exclusive to one guna alone. When we say a man is sattvic, it means that the sattvic qualities are predominant in him, and even a sattvic person, at times, the rajasic and the tamasic qualities can and will show up. Likewise for the others. Today, these classifications have been distorted as they signify merely a hereditary birthright in the society, a physical distinction based on castes and subcastes, and need to be corrected. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.